Now case number 4. When the new partner is unable to pay his share of goodwill in cash or in kind. When the new partner is not able to pay his share of goodwill. Suppose A and B are the partner in an old firm in the ratio of 3:2. C is admitted as a new partner for 1/5 share of profit. C's share of goodwill is C's share of goodwill, suppose it is 10,000, and C is not able to pay his share of goodwill, but the old partner is ready to admit, then even the new partner is not able to pay the goodwill, then also the old partner is ready to accept C as a new partner. Then the entry for goodwill will be like this. C's capital account will be debited with his share of goodwill 10,000, and this amount will be transferred to old partner's capital account in their sacrificing ratio. If future ratio is not changed between the old partner, then the sacrificing ratio and old ratio will be same. So sacrificing ratio will be 3:2. So this amount will be transferred to A's capital and B's capital in the ratio of 3:2, means 6,000 and 4,000 respectively. So the entry will be very simple. Old partner's capital account will be debited with his share of goodwill. The old partner's share of goodwill for 1/5 share of profit is 10,000. So old partner's capital account will be debited, and that amount will be divided between credited between the old partner in their sacrificing ratio. So we'll divide this 10,000 between the A and B in the sacrificing ratio. Here the old ratio is 3:2, and as the future ratio between A and B is not going to change, so old ratio and sacrificing ratio will be same. So 3:2 also be the sacrificing ratio. So this amount will be divided in the ratio of 3:2, 6,000 and 4,000 respectively. Is it clear? Suppose only A has sacrificed 1/5 from his share, then only A's capital will be credited, not B's capital. It means 10,000 will be only credited to A's capital if only A sacrificed in favor of C. B has not sacrificed nothing, and he is not also a gainer, not sacrificed, not gainer also, then only A's capital account will be credited. Okay. Now case number 5. When the new partner is unable to pay his share of goodwill, new partner unable to pay his share of goodwill, when the new partner is paid only part of his share of goodwill, just like A and B are the partners, profit sharing ratio 3:2. New partner C is admitted for 1/5 share of profit, and his share of goodwill is 10,000. C's share of goodwill is 10,000. Out of this 10,000, C has paid only rupees 2,000. Out of that 10,000, C has paid only 2,000. 8,000 he is not able to pay the whole amount. He is only paid the part amount. Partly he has done the payment. Then the entry will be the amount which is paid by him. The entry will be cash account debit to premium for goodwill. The amount which is paid by him 2,000, and the amount which is not paid by him, the next entry will be premium for goodwill account debit $2,000. The amount which is not paid by him, for that amount the C's capital account will be debited. C's capital account will be debited 8,000, and both these amount will be transferred to old partner's capital account in their sacrificing ratio. Here the sacrificing ratio will be 3:2. As the old ratio is 3:2, the future ratio is not going to change between A and B. Then old ratio and sacrificing ratio will be same. So here the sacrificing ratio will be 3:2. So this 10,000 will be divided in the ratio of 3:2, 6,000 and 4,000. If the new partner paid part of his share of goodwill, it means he has not paid the full share of his goodwill, then we will do the entry first, cash account debit to premium for goodwill which is paid, and this amount will be transferred to old partner, including the amount which is not given by the new partner. For that amount we will debit the C's capital, new partner's capital account will be debited 8,000, and these two amount will be transferred together in between the old partner in their sacrificing ratio. Okay. The next topic is related to in the accounting treatment of goodwill, hidden goodwill. What is hidden goodwill? So we'll discuss in the next slide, hidden goodwill.